Hello Python programmers, this is AK. After a short break, I uploaded some new content on my channel. The reason for the break is I have involved in some projects with my colleagues, and that's why I'm not able to spend some time on creating contents for the YouTube. And also, I attended some internship qualification rounds and I'm still waiting for the result. So these are the couple of reasons for taking the break from the YouTube. Now in this video, I'm going to share my first competition experience in Kaggle website. So Kaggle is nothing but it is similar to the GitHub. In some areas, the Kaggle is slightly different from the GitHub. Mostly the Kaggle users comes from the data science, machine learning and deep learning communities. If you want to learn the data science and machine learning, then Kaggle is the best place for you to gain some knowledge in these fields. So before learning something from this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will help me to produce more useful contents in Python. And if you want to reach me out personally, then this is my Instagram ID. You can ask any doubts about Python. And if you need any assistance for your project, you can ping me on Instagram. I will definitely help you. Okay. So let's start this video from the features of Kaggle. If you are a starter in data science or machine learning, I suggest you to create an account on Kaggle. In Kaggle, there is one feature called competitions. Kaggle competitions is about solving the real world problem through the machine learning algorithms. You can see here that the competitions are going around in this website, and if you are a starter in machine learning, then first you solve the beginner competitions in the Kaggle and then move to the prize competition. Okay, that is a very good practice. If you give the correct output, they will give you the rank on the leaderboard, which is based on the accuracy of your model. I will explain that process in the later part of this video. Now look at this competition. This competition is about the digit recognizer using Python. When you click the competition, you can see the objective of the digit recognizer competition and the total entries for this project and other details also. You can participate this competition as an individual, or if you have any team, then it is a very advantage to you to solve this problem more quickly. They are giving one specific tab for the team. If you have a group of people, then you need to register your team name with the Kaggle. And next one is where to write the code. In Kaggle, there is an option to write a code, but mostly I use the external IDE for doing the code. My experience with Kaggle kernel is not good. It takes so much time to execute the code and the data handling feature is not so good. So I recommend you to install the Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda to do the works. Actually, I completed this competition project. If you want to see your submissions, then there is an option called My Submission. You need to upload your results in this area. And I made 3 submissions before for this project. After 2 failure attempts, I made a successful submission with the accuracy of 96%. I will show you the code and algorithm for this competition. So before that, I want to show you the rank of my submission. I already said your rank will be determined by the accuracy of your submission. Here my accuracy is 96%, and if you want to check the rank of yours, you need to go to the leaderboard section and scroll down to see your rank for this competition. Even though I get a good accuracy, my rank is about 5k. If you are in the initial phase of doing the Kaggle, don't worry about your ranks, just improve yourself. That is the main thing about the learning. Now look at my code. Here I imported the necessary libraries for this project and then I downloaded the project dataset from the Kaggle. There are 2 folders. One is train dataset and other one is test dataset. Train dataset column contain 40,000 data and the test column contain 28,000 data. It is a very huge dataset for processing. Next, I created 2 variables called sample features and labels. So in the train dataset, we are having 783 pixel column. Each column holds some pixel value and it has label feature also. We need to consider the pixel value into the feature and the label into target. Okay. Totally we are having 783 features and we are going to use those features to predict the number using a machine learning algorithm. So in the sample features variable, I dropped the label feature and I created a new variable called label and I put the label feature in that variable. Okay. Next, I implemented the k nearest neighbor algorithm on the train dataset. So if you don't know about this algorithm, please check this video. I explained very clearly about the k-NN algorithm using real-time examples. Okay. So now I split the train dataset into 4 parts that are train images, train labels, test images and test labels. I split the dataset in the ratio of 2 by 10 and I defined the neighbors. Here I gave the neighbor value as 7. If you increase the neighbor value, then you will get a good accuracy of model. And then I did my prediction against the test data set. So in Kaggle, you need to know one thing. You don't need to upload the entire code into the Kaggle website. You need to save the predictions in a separate CSV file. You need to upload the CSV file into the Kaggle competition. That will be enough to generate your results. Okay. The syntax that I used here is able to create a new CSV file and it will write our predictions in the CSV file. So we can easily upload that CSV file into the Kaggle competition and it will generate the results. Okay. Now look at this file. This is a prediction file. You need to upload this file into the Kaggle competition. Once you upload it, it calculates your accuracy based on your result and then it will publish your rank into the leaderboard. So this is the process of doing the competitions in the Kaggle site. There are a lot of competitions are going on in the Kaggle. You can compete with any other peoples. And if your result is good, you will get a good rank in the Kaggle competition leaderboard. And if you are in the top rank, you will earn the virtual medals from the Kaggle. It will appear on your profile. Not only competitions, you can also contribute the code and dataset with Kaggle. If your project and dataset gets set a number of upvotes, they will give you the medals based on the upvotes range. Earning the medals from Kaggle will give you the recognition among the recruiters. So the recruiters assign some credits to these activities done by the students. You can easily recognizable among the group of students. You can also easily get a job by doing the Kaggle. That's why I make this video. I created this Kaggle account 1 year before, but I never consistent in Kaggle. So now I decided to spend some time on Kaggle to highlight my profile. So that's all about this video. If you think this video is a useful one, give a like and share with your friends and comment down your thoughts about this video. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next another video.